In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method to make affiliate commissions with ClickBank using Pinterest. We're going to use 3 tools for this method. The first one is Sort Pin, which helps us find the best performing pins that are currently getting tons of traffic. The second tool is Nano Banana, and this one lets you replicate those top performing pins with just one click. That means you instantly get the highest chance of driving more traffic to your Pinterest pins and making affiliate commissions. And finally, the third tool is SEOwriting.ai, and this is where things get even better. This tool lets you create up to 200 blogs or more with just one click. I mean, take a look at this article I generated. It has images, tables, videos, everything, and it literally took one click. So like this video, and if you want to learn how beginners are making $1,000 a day with ClickBank, comment 1K, and I'll send you a free blueprint. It's the exact blueprint that helped me generate over $89,000 in revenue. So if you want to learn, just comment 1K and I'll send it to you. All right, let's get back to the video. The first step is to head over to ClickBank and go to the marketplace. You'll see tons of offers here. For this example, I'm going with Mitolin, which is a weight loss offer. Just open the affiliate page, enter your affiliate ID, and click Access. That's gonna generate your affiliate link. Copy it, open it in a new tab, and take a quick look at the sales page. As you can see, it's a video sales letter, which is the highest converting type of sales page. Next, let's go to trends.pinterest.com. This is where things get exciting. We're gonna discover trends in the United States, and we're only gonna create pins that are in high demand. That way, you have the highest chance of getting traffic right away. As you can see, these are all the keywords that are growing right now. So, what I want you to do is come over to the filters, click interest, and make sure health is selected. Next, go to keywords and type keto. This is going to pull up all the keywords related to keto. Keto is a super common and popular diet plan that a lot of people follow to lose weight and stay healthy. So I'm gonna go with this keyword called keto lunch, and this is going to show you all the data about that keyword, including related keywords, age, gender, and other popular related terms. From here, I'm gonna go with the keyword keto lunch ideas. I searched this keyword, and as you can see, there are tons of pins with massive engagement. For example, this pin has 6,648 likes, and the crazy part is, it was uploaded just 26 days ago. Can you imagine how much traffic this pin has generated from 6,648 likes? Now, I'm using a tool called Sort Pin, which is a Google Chrome extension for Pinterest. It basically lets you uncover hidden data on any pin, total saves, likes, comments, and even the upload date so you can instantly spot which pins are going viral and why. So click the second link in the description below, and you'll be redirected to this extension. From here, just click Add, it's free. Then make sure the extension is pinned to your browser. Once it's active, it will show you all the data for every pin. So I'm gonna open this pin, and as you can see, it says Healthy Keto Crunch Wraps. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy the headline and description of this pin, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it there, and I'll write something like, "This is the headline and description of a Pinterest pin. I want you to get inspired by it and give me a similar one." And this is going to start creating it. As you can see, it has already generated these similar versions of the description. So I'm gonna copy this one and come over to Gemini. Make sure Nano Banana is selected. Next, paste the description here. Then go back to Pinterest and download the image. After that, click Add Files and upload the image. Now I'm gonna ask it to recreate the pin and make it even better. As you can see, it has created this amazing looking pin. I think this one looks a bit too similar, so I'm gonna ask it to change the font and colors so it looks different. And as you can see, now it looks perfectly good. So I'm gonna download it. Next, come back to Pinterest, click Create Pin, and upload the pin here. This is where I'm gonna paste the title and description. So I'll copy the title and paste it here. Then copy the description and paste it here as well. Next, this is where you're going to add your article, the one that has your affiliate link inside it. Now don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to create tons of high quality articles in just minutes. So click the second link in the description below, and you'll be redirected to a tool called SEOwriting.ai. Here you'll see 2 options. The first one is one-click blog post, and the second one is bulk article generation. So let's go to bulk article generation, and this is what you'll see. This is your keyword section. where you enter a keyword, and it will automatically generate the title and the blog for you. Since our pin is about keto crunchy chicken wrap, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a similar keyword related to it. So as you can see, it has given us tons of related keywords. What I'm gonna do is copy some of these keywords and paste them right here, then hit Generate Title. This is going to turn those keywords into SEO-friendly titles. Next, click Generate NLP, and it's going to create NLP keywords that will be included inside your blog. Then click Generate Outline, and this will create a full outline based on your keywords. After that, scroll down. For language, leave it as English, US. For article, leave it on None, and keep all the other settings as default. Just make sure United States is selected in the country box region. Next, scroll down and come to the Media Hub section. Go to AI Images and select Yes. For the number of images, I'm gonna select 4. For image style, I'm going with photo. For YouTube video, select Yes if you want videos included in your blog. Next, scroll to the Structure section and leave everything as default. Then go to Connect to Web and select Yes, and again, leave everything at the default settings. Now scroll down, and this is where you're going to add your website. If you don't have WordPress, that's totally fine. I'll show you a free way. Finally, scroll all the way back up and hit Run. This will start generating the blogs, and it usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And as you can see, the blogs are ready. Let's preview it and see how it looks. And boom, the image looks sick. The headline is perfect scroll down, and you can see the key takeaways, the table, everything. I mean, is your mind blown? Because mine was the first time I saw it. Now the main question is, how do you make money? Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna show you. Head over to Blogger and create your account. And this is what you're going to see. Click New Post, and this is where you'll add your title. So I'm gonna copy the title and paste it right here. Now what you're gonna do is copy the entire content and paste it right here as well. As you can see, the whole article has been added, including the images. Now select everything and change the font to Arial. This is what you're gonna do next. You're gonna write a call to action. To get an idea, let's head over to ClickBank. This is our product, so I'm gonna grab my affiliate link, enter my affiliate ID, and hit Access. Then, I'll copy the link and open it. And as you can see, the headline says, Purple Peel Exploit Vaporizes Fat Cells. This headline is curiosity driven, so I'm gonna go back to Blogger and write that here. Then I'm gonna copy my affiliate link again, highlight this part, click on this little icon, and paste your affiliate link right there. Now copy this call to action and paste it multiple times throughout the post to grab attention. And finally, hit publish and your blog is ready. Now let's view it, and as you can see, the blog looks insanely good. Exactly what we needed. And that's it. You just created a money-making blog post with your own content, your affiliate links, and a traffic source all set up. Now copy this URL, come back to Pinterest, and paste it right here. Go to Board and select the board you already have. If you don't have a board, I recommend creating one because it helps your pin get more exposure. Now here's the next step. Start posting these pins consistently on Pinterest. Use eye-catching images, curiosity-driven headlines, and link every pin back to your blog. Over time, those pins will start getting clicks, bringing free traffic to your posts. And every time someone clicks your affiliate link and buys, you'll earn a commission completely on autopilot. Now, if you want to discover exactly how everyday people from all over the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day, all the way up to $21,000 per day, by leveraging AI and insanely cheap foreign traffic, then go click the first link in the description, or head over to insider10x.com and download your free copy of the special report that breaks it all down. And once you download the report, you'll automatically be redirected to a page where you can register for a free ClickBank workshop. This is where the magic happens. Everything you need to know to start making real money online is revealed in that session. But here's the deal, this strategy is catching on fast. Before everyone and their grandma starts flooding the traffic sources and competition spikes, go grab your spot now. Click the first link in the description or visit insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity before it's gone. And make sure you watch the workshop all the way till the end, because once you learn this system, you'll never look at affiliate marketing the same way again.